Today we're going to be doing exponential regressions. You guys remember this from linear ones. And if you don't, I'm going to refresh your memory real quick. This is the equation of an exponential function. If I want to do the regression on the calculator, we're going to do the same equation, y1 approximately a parentheses b close parentheses to the power of x1. So that little sign should refresh your memory that we've done this before, but now it's a different equation. So we're going to use this to get the equation from a table. The steps are up here. First, you're going to add the table in decimals. You're going to fill in all the points, and then you're going to type this in decimals to get the equation. Don't forget about the ones. These are not commas. This is a y1. This is an x1. Okay, so we're going to practice. We're going to do problem number 1. Put this in decimals. Pause the video, put it in decimals, and then type this equation, and let's see if you get the same answer that I get. Go. Okay, so what I did is I paused the video, and now I'm playing it. If you have not paused the video, you need to pause it already. Add the table, like that with the little plus sign. Put your x's on the left side, so -3, enter, 1 enter, 4 enter, 7 enter. And then on the other side, you're putting the f of x, which is your y's, 640, enter, 40, enter, 5, enter, 0.625. Okay? Then right here, you're going to type the exponential regression that I told you about, which is y1. Type the number 1. Approximately, you can also do shift and then the little squiggly line that's up at the top left-hand corner of your keyboard. And then you type A, parentheses, B, close parentheses, to the power of, hit this button right here. This is the button we're using. To the power of x and the number 1. Once you type all of that, your equation will come up. It will give you an A and a B. That A and that B is your answer. So now we're done. All you need to know now is how to write the equation. If my A is a 80 and my B is a half, 0.5, then my equation, my answer is y equals 80. I started with 80, parentheses, 0.5, close parentheses to the power of x. This is the final answer. That's how you're going to write them. Okay, we're going to practice 2 more, and then you guys are going to do a quizzes today. So let's go ahead and do the next table. Pause the video, put it in decimals. And if you want, you can just change the other numbers to these new numbers. That way you don't have to retype stuff. So this is what I would do. Go to decimals, go up here to your table, and just change the numbers. 0, change this one to 1, then this one is 2, change this one to 3, this one is 4. Yes, you have to put every single digit. So it's 20,300, 16,515, 13,564. And all I'm doing is highlighting the old ones and typing the new ones. And then 10, 7, 3, 5. Okay, once you do that, the equation that you already had typed in there should refresh itself. So it gives you a new A and it gives you a new B. If you completely deleted the equation, then you need to retype it in there again. But my A is 202,873. And my B, we're just going to round to right here, to the 4. So it's 0.094. Did I type something wrong? I added too many zeros right there. There you go. Because this is what you should have gotten. 19,845.5 and 0.85. Are you sure I typed everything correctly? Let me see. Make sure that you type it exactly how you see it, or if not, you're going to get a wrong answer. Okay, so it is correct. Let's write down our A. What was our A? Okay, and my B? We're rounding, okay? You don't have to write down the whole number. So when I write my equation, that's y equals, I started with 19,845.5, and is this increasing or decreasing? Decreasing, because it's less than the dollar, okay? So it's going to be a decay, 0.85 to the power of x. Don't forget the x. Go ahead and do problem number 3 so you can practice by yourself. Pause the video, and when you are done, you can go ahead and start the quizzes. So do problem number 3 first. Write down the equation. Tell me what the A and the B are and what the equation is. Okay? And when you are done, you can start on the quizzes.